Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add subtitles in HeyGen in 2026. So if you want your AI avatar videos to look more professional, get more views, and improve watch time, yeah, subtitles are one of the most important things you can add. First, log into HeyGen and open your existing video project or create a new one, so subtitles are added directly inside the editor. Next, open AI Studio. This is where all editing tools like captions, avatars, and voice settings are located. So yeah, find the captions or subtitles option in the right panel and turn it on. Once enabled, HeyGen will automatically generate subtitles from your script. Now click Auto-Generate Captions. HeyGen will take your script or audio and turn it into timed subtitles automatically. So yeah, review the subtitles carefully. You can click any line and fix spelling, timing, or wording if needed. Next, customize your subtitles. You can change font, size, color, and position to match your branding style. So yeah, preview your video to make sure subtitles are synced properly with your voice and avatar. Now click Generate. HeyGen will render your final video with subtitles permanently added or as toggled captions depending on your settings. Finally, download your video in HD. So you can upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram with subtitles already included. And that's how to add subtitles in HeyGen in 2026. Once you use captions properly, your videos will look more professional, get better engagement, and perform much better on social media. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.